Dia itu ML05 kan? Kalau vlog ka. I like your video.
Man, really appreciate man for that. Mini Varichora in Maolong village. Let's see. This place looks really very beautiful, bhai. So hello people, it's me, the ML05 guy from Shillong, and right now I am in around Majao. Majao, it's Majai. It's like after crossing Seven Sister, then you will find Kindrem. Then after crossing Kindrem, 2-3 more falls are there, or more villages, or more village are there. Then after crossing 2-3 more village, you guys will find Maolong village, and after that you guys will have to take a guide from there. I have got my guide. This is no, he is taking, oh matlab Phikir thing Bante Blanc. So Bante Blanc is a guide for today for me. Okay, and we are going to, that is known as Mini Varichora in Meghalaya, Shillong. 10 kilometer trekking. हाँ चलो हाँ. So he has took a boat that it will be like 600 for the guide and 600 for the boating plus life jacket. These people will provide you, and it is my first time by coming here, and like from Shillong till here it's little bit far, around 60 to 70 kilometers. You guys will have to drive or ride your machine to come till here. In a jaga Wajapu. Are you? Oh, so the place where me and this guide is going is known as Wajapu. That is also known as Mini Varichora, because the view is the same only. So I thought to visit once by to have a beautiful experience. And we are walking in the middle of the jungle. Just see. And especially whenever you people are going to come, right, so always try to take a guide, because without guide don't ever thought to travel alone, especially the language barrier, and especially the places which you people don't know. That is why me also, by most of the time I used to take guide only. Just see, in these kind of places you guys will not be able to roam alone, and it's not safe also for you. Oh, कि आप उन्हें टूरिस्ट ही? Oh, guest. So it's like, if you people want to come, right, I'm going to provide the number of these people. There are many tourist guide here, so it's better for you to call them while leaving Shillong. So it will be good for you and for the people who is going to guide you till here, which is known as Wajapu. And we have reached by Wajapu. This is not it. Now we will have to go inside. Up mga one. Yo. Up. सुखरियाट से ही नहीं भाई साहब, पानी बहुत ठंडा है. But it is crystal clean.
Jam ito. Jam.
Let's go, bhai. So this is the boat. Now we are have to go inside, bhai, for a very beautiful experience. Coming till here, it was not so easy, because you people will have to cross Seven Sisters, then after that Kindrem, then after that 2, 3, 4 more village, and after that you guys will find Maolong village, Maolong, Maolong village. Yeah, then you guys will have to talk to someone. You guys will find someone there only who will be like talking to you for a guide, and especially take a guide for this, because you people will not be able to come till here without a guide. Just see. And that is the boat which we are going to take inside for a beautiful experience in mini Wadi Chora. अभी और tourist आ रहा है भाई. Those guys also.
My guest.
Oh, your guest. Nice. Your name?
My name is Edie.
Edie.
Jepang dah bakar है हमसे.
Kado fee ya guys.
तो बोला पीछे जो है ना जो टूरिस्ट दिख रहे हैं आप लोग वो सारा टूरिस्ट सारा तो वो सारा बुक करके आया भाई.
Cho rồi đây Penang, Ji rồi đây Penang, Kieu luôn rồi đây Penang.
तो फी लॉन्ग स्विमिंग
Hả?
फी स्विम
Ni nang luôn. Guys dah nang em. Fi ro explore adventure fee.
मंगा एक्सप्लोर एडवेंचर इन्हें इंडियन स्विम.
Abang jangan lupa.
भाई साहब मेरे को स्विमिंग नहीं आता ना तो थोड़ा मेरे को प्रॉब्लम होता है भाई स्पेशली कमिंग इन द वाटर.
नहीं आता तो प्रॉब्लम हो गया तो.
दैट इज व्हाई
अगर पानी भी गिर गया तो
दैट इज व्हाई गाइड इज नेसेसरी.
Nanti ada deh swimming.
कितने स्विमिंग. हां तो भी तो लोग
थोड़ा भी नहीं आता है स्विमिंग.
भी तो लोकल थे तो
Kita lah bro jadi.
हाँ भी तो लोकल.
Welcome Penang.
Safety lah deh kan janang.
Semua pi lek explore jaga ba ham jengai dan kamban lek side kamban ni ya.
इन्हें तंग इन्हें उन्हें
तो याद कम तो
उन्हें जुड़न पत्थर
untuk pathor tu lah he long yai. Lah don mau.
तो हंगने तो स्ट्रेट
Tang tu.
वो तंग ते
Tang tai.
फिर रिटर्न.
Return. Ma pi page ni ke Ijan dah lah ya kabut. Lah yo ring video internet. Nang ni page view kami tu ya. Paling tai dah. Wow.
वाओ.
Kita itu ML05 kan. Kalau vlog ke? Hah?
Ini ceng nah.
Iya seram. Lalat ya itu. I like your video.
Man really appreciate man for that.
Gilai channel.
Malaysia nak je, no. Ya, ayo fan lah jangan Malaysia.
Fan. Big fan.
Bahasa ni kamera ada. GoPro Pro. Gila vlog sudah kan ai?
हाँ नहीं फी शॉन्ग शिलोंग
Smith.
ओ स्मिथ
Smith. Lightroom. Nearby Lightroom.
ओ लाइक लूम
On the way to Lightroom.
ओ
Dia ada driver taksi na fi don kam. He betul ha.
ओ आई नंबर 4 जोंगा.
Ini driver taksi kan.
हाँ आई नंबर 4 ने. So if you people want to like book a taxi or something like that, you guys can contact this person number. I number phone.
On the correct number.
I number phone जोंगा.
Jongpi number phone.
Number phone जोंगा. हाँ I number phone जोंगा.
Okay, 89749399529.
Okay, you guys can contact this number. So for a tourist taxi, especially for Shillong, Meghalaya. Yes.
Sightseeing and all.
For sightseeing and everything.
Ah, Shillong. sightseeing.
So this person stays in Lightroom.
Name.
Oh yeah, figure the guy.
One pensihan.
Oh, one pink sky.
Pensihan ya.
Nice man. PI number phone hangne. So
Oh,
this guy is from. Huh?
Mau number phone.
Oh yeah, PI number phone. So this guy is like if you guys will come to Maulinong, right?
Maulong.
Oh, sorry. Maulong. So you guys can contact this person. I number phone janga.
Mengalah kelihatan nomor phone HP cuma.
PI number phone.
Ra.
Mau.
Hey, English man, fra you. So you guys can contact before coming, especially from Shillong or out of the state, to experience this mini Wadi Chora. This one. Pai. PI number phone hangne.
You should tell no. This guy is very kind-hearted person. He's very good man.
That is why I'm giving the number, man, so that whenever people want right from Shillong or out of state, they can contact this number. Directly they can book it. Me too, I came randomly.
Yeah. You have your own bike.
That is why. I hangne.
I will
Like-
message you.
I really appreciate for that one. So if you guys want to come in Maulong,
Maulong, yeah.
Maulong, so you guys can contact this number, which he is going to say.
on Instagram.
Follow him in Instagram.
My IG Instagram Lil Ed Music.
Lil Ed
Music.
Music. Chalo, you guys can. You say your number, man.
8729814548.
Oh, you guys can contact this number if you guys will come to Maulong to experience this amazing view with this view with all these beautiful people out here.
Mini Wadi Chora.
Mini Wadi Chora.
See, if you want to go to Wadi Chora, but it's too far, then you can come here and you can contact these people. It's very good and kind-hearted person.
79 kilometer Shillong to this mini Wadi Chora.
How much
Shillong,
kilometer?
79.
79 kilometers, guys.
In Khasi, it will be Neo Pokandai. Last time,
If you go in Awari Shurato,
it's very far, man. Out of the state.
Oh, Barichara. It's not out of the state. It's Ngaro Hills.
Oh,
that
sorry,
one.
sorry. In
But
Garo,
it's
in
too
Garo.
far from Shillong. From Shillong, people is too far. But you can come
Experience
and
this.
visit here also. It's mini Barichara.
Star Pian, YouTube Pian.
Bu baru kan by Insta
Facebook
Bu
Rolong.
baru. Ban famous dah.
Famous video. Not famous, but your video.
Everyone will get famous, man.
Biru kamai ni.
Come on.
Bisa berabar na. Kamai.
Ini Baba, kemini mari Chora. Just see,
Jam dia, Pak.
just see how beautiful it looks.
Kita dah jam.
Pahangnya jam,
Ah, ni jam ni.
pijam what now?
Bisa ini dah ni.
Oh, ani paitang ni, ini ayu.
Tukar.
Tuksai. Oh nee. Oh, this place looks really very beautiful, bhai. You see? ये जगह तो बाबा
Shoot video kan? Shoot video.
हाँ it totally looks like Varichora, but this is known as mini Varichora, which is located in Maolong village. So you guys will have to take a guide from Maolong village, and these people will take you till here. Without guide, you people will not be possible to come till here, because the guide, these two, which I'm going to provide the number, these two are like, will take you till here in their own beautiful way. Especially this boating is really very good, right? You see, I'm sitting. It's very comfortable boat.
You want to come in Mini Warishura, Maulong Canyon? Go on Instagram, follow me and DM me. I send you a detail. Okay?
Okay. So if you people will not be able to go to Varichora, right, which is located in Garo Hills. So you people can come here, which the number I'm going to provide. You can talk to that person, and you guys can experience this mini Varichora in Maolong village. Let's see. This place looks really very beautiful, bhai. Let's see. We are in the middle, and both sides there are mountains. इन्हें वाटर कलर ही नहीं, इन्हें इमरान उन्हें ब्लू कलर इमरान ना ग्रीन कलर. I was the first one, but now after there are coming so many tourists. It is like after contacting, everyone is coming here. इन्हें मंगाते भाई, तुम्हें तरफ है गए इन्हें मंगा. हाँ, मैसेज में ओके. And the experience and the experience was really very good. Oh, I'm gonna follow back. Woo, and the experience was really very good. By seeing from here, right, till that stone, it looks like really the distance is small, right? But while going in this boat, right, the distance will be like more far. Oh, that is a stone.
Tinggal orang walau boy. Tinggal orang walau. Hah? Campur.
Jump. 1, 2, 3. Apple to her,
Nice experience.
See the ML Chiro fight car. See, it's used like
के अंदर
that.
घुस गया मैं
Nice. Sa Shillong. Kikir tingum no. Bring Starwell. Nice to meet you. Mga Fahed. Fahed. Yeah. Kindit. Mga when you people will go this side, right? Both side is like wow.
How was the experience?
Yeah, nice man. It was really good.
सुकून है
Ah man. And the trip ends here in Miri Varichora, which is located in Maolong. These are the tourists, and that is one more boat going. So if you guys want to come here, why definitely come here, yeah? Because you guys will have a really different kind of fun, which I myself have today, where for the very first time in Shillong. So you people like this video, so I'm going to put the number also. Okay? So it will be a different price. For the guide it will be different, for the boat it will be different, and for the life jacket it will be different. So you guys especially I'm saying carry cash. Don't think that you guys will carry online and the network will be like going on in this kind of area. No, it will not work out. So hope you people like this video. Bye bye.